Hello everyone, welcome to the Ballerina language tutorial. In this series, I am going to look into the details of various Ballerina capabilities and features. Today I am showing how we can get started with Ballerina Programming Language by installing and running a simple Hello World program. So to install Ballerina, here I visit the ballerina.io website. On the home page, we can see various options to try, install and learn Ballerina. First, we can see Why Ballerina section. Basically, what are the key features of Ballerina which makes it different from other languages? Let's discuss about each of them in upcoming sessions. Here, in Try Ballerina Playground, you can try some Ballerina code without locally installing it. I just changed the source code here. When you click the Run button, it will compile the source code and run it. You can see the expected output here. Then at the bottom, you can see some learning materials. Now I am going to Downloads page. Here you can see the currently released versions of Ballerina. As of today, there are two major versions. Swan Lake version, which is at the beta state, and also we can see the installers for different platforms and for the VS Code plugin. If we go down, you can see the 1.2 version listed here, which is the current stable version of 1. Series. Let's install it now. I am downloading the Mac installer here. You will need installers only for the first time. Later, you can easily update via the Ballerina update tool as specified here by using bell update and bell dist pull commands. Let's look into them in detail later. Okay, now the download is completed. Let's install it. Now the installation is successful and let's verify it. Go to the terminal and run bell-v command to see the version of the Ballerina. It shows it as Ballerina Swan Lake Beta 1 as the version, and also the language specification version is 2021 release 1 and the update tool, which we can use hereafter to manage the Ballerina distribution versions, and that tool version is 1.3.5. Then the next step is to set up the development environment. For that, Ballerina provides VS Code extension for Ballerina. Let's go to the VS Code IDE. Here I already have VS Code installed in my machine. Go to the extensions and search for Ballerina. It will list down Ballerina VS Code plugin here. It has two versions. One is deprecated, so I am selecting the latest one. You can see VS Code extension guide with some details about its features. Now Ballerina is installed and the development environment is also ready. Let's move to the most important part, writing our first Ballerina program. Create a new file in VS Code and save it with the .bell extension in any preferred location. Let's write the main function. The extension provides you with the suggestions on keywords and code snippets of the language constructs and so on. I used code snippet to generate the main function. Then I need to print hello world to the console. So I will need IO standard library, which handles input-output. You can see a little icon here, which is a code action to add the missing import statement. I use the println function of IO module with the input string of hello world here. Now we are done with it. Let's run it. Go to the terminal and locate the file. You can see the file now as we saved it in this location from the VS Code. Then let's run this file using bell run command. It will compile and run. You can see the output of hello world. Congratulations! You just ran your first Ballerina program. So that's it for the first session. Thank you for watching. See you later with more topics.